When was the last time you decontaminated your vehicle? What's the problem? Your evaporators in the ventilation system is warm and dark. Condensation and moisture form due to changes in temperature. This is similar to when ice-cold water is left in the warm and condensation forms on the outside of the glass. This combination becomes the perfect habitat for bacteria, mold, viruses and germs to multiply rapidly. This could put anyone that travels in your vehicle at risk and may also lead to bad odours inside your vehicle. What's the solution? An air conditioning decontamination service. This service will clean your evaporators and pollen filter housing with patented airco flush technology, which is proven to have no harmful side effects, including for small children, pets, allergy and asthma sufferers. The benefits of this are bacteria, mold, viruses and germs inside the ventilation system and pollen filter housing are eliminated. Sustained inhibition of regrowth of bacteria, mold and germs, and the removal of any unpleasant odours. We recommend an air conditioning decontamination service every year. Ask one of our experienced advisors for more information and to book this treatment on your next service.